Hi, I'm Jamie Cockle, Paediatric Clinical Educator, and in this video we'll be covering the installation process for the Hero NXT Special Purpose Child Restraint. This video is specific to seats sold from the beginning of 2025. If you have an older model of seat, please click the link in the description. The first thing to highlight is the requirement for the vehicle to have Isofix attachment points, so that the required Isofix connection can be made. Isofix points, such as these, are not always available in vehicles, so it's important to check the intended vehicle for use prior to the Hero NXT being considered and prescribed. Clamping the restraint to the vehicle using the Isofix points is a mandatory part of the installation process. If the vehicle doesn't have Isofix points, the Hero NXT cannot be used. To make the Isofix connection, place the Hero NXT on the vehicle seat in front of the Isofix connection points. Extend the left-hand side Isofix connector by squeezing the grey buttons towards each other and moving the Isofix clamp rearwards. Once close to the Isofix connection point, push from the back of the connector so that the Isofix latch engages. There should be an audible click when the latch connects. To confirm the connection of the Isofix system, you should be able to see a green strip displayed here on the Isofix arm. Complete this step on the other side. Once both Isofix connections are made, you can push the restraint rearwards on the vehicle seat so that the Hero NXT is as close to the vehicle back support as possible. Pressing from side to side can help to ensure a secure fit. Once fully secured, check the Isofix setting is equal on either side of the restraint. This can be confirmed by ensuring the number setting for the left and right side are matching. The Hero NXT is supplied with two black Isofix guides as standard. There may be benefit in using these adapters when the vehicle seat upholstery is in the way of the Isofix connection points and prevents installation. Once the Hero NXT is in this position, the next step for installation is the appropriate setup of the integrated foot prop. The length of the foot prop must be extended to reach the floor of the footwell and provide support and stability. To do this, press and hold the circular button located here. The foot prop must angle slightly away from the vehicle seat. It should not be in a fully vertical position. You'll see there is a red section at the top of the foot prop shaft. If any part of this red section is visible, the angle of the foot prop is incorrect. To ensure sufficient pressure is being placed through the foot prop, check that the indicator here has changed from red to green. Once set, check that the bottom of the Hero NXT is in contact with the vehicle seat. If the foot prop does not reach the floor of the vehicle's footwell, the Hero NXT cannot be installed correctly. And there we have it, a perfectly installed Hero NXT.